everybody, it's Jennifer. I just bought this for my flagpole. A few weeks back, I was gifted a beautiful flag that's made with this sort of shimmery material. And I bought this to put on top of my flagpole. So it is a LED flagpole light topper, and it's solar. So this is going to charge during the day, and then at night it is going to turn on. So I'm gonna go install this, show you what it looks like in the day and at night. Okay, this was super easy to install. I just had to unscrew that top part, the little ball part, and then this popped right on. And then the part where the flag attaches just popped down a little bit with the screw. I'll attach the flagpole as well. Really easy to install. Now let's see what it looks like at night. Absolutely gorgeous. I am loving this. My love for solar lighting runs deep. This is great. It just really makes the flag shimmer. I can't say enough great things about this. So this flagpole, and light combination are a winner. Check them out.